$392 back to you with another video. If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right now. I'll be right there. Today we got another video for y'all. I've been trying to keep the consistency going, but we got another video. It is top 5 mods to do under 500 bucks for any charger. So first mod we're gonna get into is this is real simple, real easy. First thing I'd say would be the Weathertech guards. It's 100 bucks on weathertech.com. You can look them up on Amazon. I think they make the vehicle look much more aggressive. This can go on any charger. This is on my 300. They're interchangeable. It just makes the car look a lot better. Also too, say you're a smoker, or you want to keep the airflow coming in and there's rain, that blocks the rain from coming in with the air. Second mod that I'd recommend getting for under 500 bucks would be these overlay tail light strips, and also to the side marker overlays for the side markers. Definitely the side markers are one of my favorite. It gets away from the orange and the yellow side markers, throwing off the vehicle. Also too, these do light up, so when they light up it's going to be like a reddish black, so it goes with the theme of the car. Also too, the overlays in the back, they're about 30-40 bucks. Those are 30-40 bucks. I'm gonna leave a discount code. Shout out Spooky64. His code is Spooky Projects. I'll put that in the bio and also on the screen. But that mod definitely adds to the cars. The overlay strips for the side markers and the overlay for the tail lights, definitely. Third mod for the car, that this is kind of pricey, but I think it's worth it. And every charger, every 6.4, 5.7, whatever vehicle you got, definitely the exhaust, at least the suitcase exhaust right here in the back. You could get those taken off for maybe 100 bucks. You could do your cats yourself. That costs $12-13 for the spark plug fallers, or the spark plug fallers. And you can do the resonators if you don't want the raspy drone. So all together, I paid about, in Arizona for the 300 in this car, I paid about, maybe it was 120 bucks, and then for the catch yourself, it's another 12 bucks. So you're looking at 130-40 bucks. It's not bad. It gives the car some aggressive sound to it. You definitely, Mopars need air, big engines need air. The more air and fuel you got, the faster you're gonna go. Another easy mod that I recommend you getting will be the JLT oil catch can. This is 3.0 version for the 6.4 liter. This right here is just an amazing mod. Most people do this when they first get their car. Basically keeps the engine from recycling, or keep all the old deposits from going back in your engine. It robs you of horsepower. You don't want dirty oil debris to go in your your engine to get recycled, so that catches it. Definitely going to be doing a review on that. That is very helpful. Like I said, most people do get this mod when they first grab a Mopar, mostly for the 5.7s, the 6.1s, and the 6.4 liters. Like I said, it just grabs all the oil. Very easy mod. It took me 15-20 minutes to install. This is about 100 bucks on Amazon. You can get a steal for that. On the JLT website, it's about 120. So definitely go on Amazon and grab that. It's very useful. Most people get that mod when they get a Mopar. Last mod that is very easy. This is 100 bucks off of Amazon Pure Design. It's the Wicker bill. It's a 2-piece Wicker bill. Some people like the different Wicker bills, the 3-piece, the 1-piece. Some actually, the SXTs, they cut right here down the trunk line, and it's a 3-piece Wicker bill. But this one was 100 bucks. I got it off of eBay. Very easy to install. Comes with the rivet nuts, the wrench, all that. Definitely the Wicker bill, that right there is it adds to the car 100%. You see the charger with the Wicker bill, that thing is just so clean. Like I said, 100 bucks on eBay. I'll leave the description to all my top 5 mods that are under 500 bucks. Definitely recommend you getting that for one of your first mods. It's an exterior mod. It makes the car look nice. It gives it a little wing. I'm not sure on the performance wise of this, but I assume that when you're driving, since the car is rear wheel drive, the air is going to come down and push the vehicle down, which gives you better traction and makes you go faster. So definitely recommend getting that mod. So that is the video. That is the top 5 mods for under 500 bucks. Been wanting to do this video for a while. Like I said, I'm trying to keep the consistency going with these videos. Give me ideas. Tell me what y'all like, what y'all don't like. Like I said, we got the giveaway coming up real soon. It's been scaring people with my exhaust, so y'all stay tuned for that. The giveaway is gonna be nice. Also, to hit that like, subscribe, or comment, and we out.